A number of years ago, we had an increase of security-related events, in particular at night, where we had people breaking into our stores through the front entry. So we saw that people were just either pushing the doors open, smashing the glass, or forcing their way in. Obviously, there was a concern for us. Safety is most important at 7-Eleven and for our team members and our community as a whole. So we had to look at a solution. dormakaba supply and install our entry doors for our stores. They also provide service and maintenance of these doors, which is critical.
7-Eleven approached dormakaba. Together, we co-designed the Protect Door system. It features enhanced locking mechanisms, attack-resistant glass that all work together with our automatic door operators.
3 locking elements to the door, an overlap, and also secured glass. It makes it a lot harder for anyone to push the door open or even force their way in. The number of instances significantly decreased.
The relationship between dormakaba and 7-Eleven spans over a decade, and it's a relationship that's built on trust, collaboration, and really understanding their business needs. What I love most about the Protect Door system is that it genuinely keeps people safe. The service agreement 7-Eleven have with dormakaba is incredibly important. Our dormakaba technicians do the ongoing service and maintenance of the doors, and that's what keeps them safe and running smoothly.
Started off with changing our manual doors to automatic doors, and then over that time, it's continued to evolve and work on a number of different projects with them.
Together, we've grown and innovated, and that innovation is what is helping to keep people safe, and I think that's really important. We look forward to continuing to grow and innovate in this partnership with 7-Eleven.